Today in Combat Logic, we are breaking down why body shots can end fights so quickly. By the end of this video, you'll understand which targets are the most dangerous, why fighters fear them, and how body shots can instantly change the outcome of a fight. Every fighter protects their head during a fight. Most people believe knockouts happen because of powerful punches to the jaw. But in reality, some of the most devastating strikes in combat sports are aimed at the body. A perfectly placed body shot can end a fight instantly, sometimes even faster than a punch to the head. So why are body shots so effective? The answer lies in human anatomy. The body has several vulnerable areas that are extremely sensitive to impact. When a fighter targets these areas correctly, the effect can be immediate and overwhelming. One of the most dangerous targets in fighting is the liver. The liver sits on the right side of the body, just underneath the rib cage. It is a large organ responsible for many important functions in the body, but it also has one major weakness. It is highly sensitive to impact. When a powerful punch lands directly on the liver, it sends a shock through the nervous system. This sudden shock can cause the body to shut down for a moment. Fighters who receive a clean liver shot often drop to their knees almost instantly. Even if they try to stand, their body refuses to cooperate. Another dangerous target is the solar plexus. This area is located in the center of the chest, just below the sternum. A strong strike to the solar plexus can knock the air out of a fighter's lungs. When this happens, the fighter suddenly loses the ability to breathe properly. For several seconds, the body struggles to recover oxygen, making it extremely difficult to continue fighting. Body shots are not only dangerous because of these vulnerable targets, they are also extremely effective for draining a fighter's energy over time. Every time a punch lands on the body, the muscles tighten, and the fighter must work harder to breathe and move. Over time, repeated body attacks slowly wear down stamina and reduce overall performance. This is why many experienced fighters mix head strikes with body attacks. When a fighter focuses only on the head, the opponent can protect themselves more easily. But when the body is constantly under attack, the opponent must divide their defense. Once the body becomes weak and tired, the head becomes easier to hit. This is one of the reasons body shots are such an important part of high-level fighting. In the end, fighting is not only about strength, it is about precision, timing, and understanding the weaknesses of the human body. And sometimes, the smartest strike is not the one aimed at the head, but the one aimed at the body. If you want more videos like this and want to improve your fight IQ, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a breakdown from Combat Logic.